Hi, everybody. My name's David Tykerobe. I'm the Safety and Training Coordinator here at Elmer's Manufacturing. We're located in Altona, Manitoba, in the Red River Valley. We started off as a small farm business back in 1978, building row crop cultivators with just a handful of staff. We've since then grown to over 190 full-time employees, and we've got a wide range of agricultural implements to support the modern farmer today. Our vision here is to provide innovative agricultural equipment and solutions for maximizing farming potential to feed Canada and the rest of the world. As I said, Elmer started off as a farm first, and we grew into the manufacturing facility that you see today. Safety has been valued a lot differently in 1978 than it is today, and we've made lots of changes in the last 45 years to reflect that. So our safety management system here has been continually improving since I started here, but it really took another step forward in 2020 when we started to make our first step towards our Safe Work certification with Made Safe. It can be pretty daunting, pretty intimidating to get started with the certification process, but I found with the resources and support I was given through Made Safe that they made it a lot easier and a lot less scary than I was originally expecting. So completing the certification process has helped Elmer's Manufacturing really isolate and spot all of our hazards, putting proper controls in place, and we're getting a lot more employee engagement and seeing a lot more happier, healthier days here at work.
If you or your organization would like additional information on becoming Safe Work certified, please reach out to us at Made Safe. We're here to help.